As dawn broke over the Olympic Stadium, a palpable sense of excitement filled the air. Athletes from all corners of the globe had gathered, not just for competition, but to be part of something larger than themselves. Each medalist knew that beyond their triumph lay a treasure trove steeped in tradition, the Olympic box. This was no ordinary box. It held symbols of excellence and unforgettable memories crafted through sweat and perseverance. As they crossed the finish line or stood atop podiums, each medalist envisioned opening this sacred container after their victory. Inside were carefully curated mementos, a finely woven laurel wreath representing peace and victory, an intricately designed pin symbolizing unity among nations, and heartfelt letters from previous Olympians encouraging them to continue inspiring future generations. Alongside these tokens were photos capturing pivotal moments, first steps into stadiums, tears shed during national anthems, and friendships forged against fierce competition. The box reminded them that every athlete's journey was unique, yet shared within this grand mosaic called the Olympics, a celebration not only of athletic prowess, but also resilience.